got a new keyboard for my laptop so we can get this finished up. The A and some of the buttons on this side didn't work, and the right and I think home and backspace didn't work also. There's some other random ones, but it's just got a little slide clip in here. And you can barely get a hold of course. This keyboard is out of a different model, but I'm pretty sure it's the same keyboard. Oops, go that way. UE2010P2 or 02. Same one. And you know, all the keys and everything are in the same place. I think this is actually a brand new keyboard. And for the $5 plus $3 shipping, that's pretty decent. And then this just slides back in its little, what is that little? It all looks corroded. Well, that looks a bit better. Alright, keyboard installed. Now the mouse works. Okay, let's open up. Notepad. Yeah, notepad. And real key test. That thing all works. That. Q. That thing works. That works. That works. I don't know what the faucet's supposed to mean. Well, there's a shortcut for turning your computer off. Shutting that off. Alright, I think it's working. Everything looks like it's working. Alright, so if you have one of these and you need a keyboard, apparently you can just put in this model number in the back and see if you get lucky and find one that way. I will put the model number of the computer that this keyboard was from in the description, just in case somebody needs one. They can look it up on eBay and get one from that computer, because finding parts for this computer is just about impossible. So I'll shut this down now for now. Yeah, I bought a floppy drive, which I'm not sure if I'm going to put that video up or not. It is just basically parts over here now. This guy right here. I was hoping this would fit in here because this floppy drive doesn't work. And if it didn't fit, I was hoping I'd be able to pull some parts out of it and put those into the floppy drive. But basically it's about that much too long. So this drive was out of the same type model as what the keyboard was out of, and this doesn't work, so don't do that one. You gotta get the one for this printer. I'm sure there's other models that it fits. That ain't it. So that's kind of a short, quick video, and I think that'll be it for today. Thanks, guys. Well, hold on, real quick. If you got one of these laying around and you don't know what to do with it, and you got the cover for that, you wanted to send it my way, I would be very appreciative of that. Maybe yours doesn't work, I don't know. Of course, if you're watching this video, maybe you're trying to fix yours up, so, you know, just take that for what you will. Alrighty, well, thanks for watching, guys.